In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Family Sharing not working if you're trying to share your game library with friends or family and the games just aren't appearing in their library, or Steam says the feature isn't enabled. Don't worry, because this is usually a very quick fix. Steam recently updated how families and sharing work, so many users simply haven't completed the new setup process yet. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through exactly where to go in Steam and what to check so your shared games start appearing again. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click on the option that says Steam. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open the main Steam settings window where all of your account and client preferences are located. In the settings sidebar on the left side, scroll until you find the section labeled Family. Go ahead and click on Family to open the family sharing settings. Inside this page, you'll see the new Steam Family features. Now click the button that says Manage Your Steam Family. This will open the Steam Family Management page where you can control who has access to your shared library. Once you're on this screen, make sure you are on the Manage tab, which is the default tab that usually opens automatically. Here you'll see a list of members who are currently part of your Steam family. Carefully check this list and confirm that the person you want to share games with is actually listed here as a member. If they are already listed, then the sharing connection is active and they should be able to access your shared games from their own Steam library. However, if the person is not listed here, that usually means their family request hasn't been accepted yet. At the top of this page, switch over to the tab labeled Requests. Inside the Requests tab, you may see pending invitations from people who want to join your Steam family. If you see the request from the person you want to share with, simply click Accept to approve their request. Once you accept it, they will immediately become part of your Steam family group. After they join your Steam family, Steam will automatically allow them to access eligible shared games from your account. They just need to open their Steam client, go to their library, and they should now see your shared games available to download and play. If the games still don't appear right away, ask them to restart Steam so the library refreshes. In most cases, that instantly fixes the problem. Also, remember that not every game supports family sharing due to publisher restrictions, so if a specific game is missing, it may simply not support the feature. And that's how you fix Steam Family Sharing not working. Just make sure the person is added to your Steam family and that their request has been accepted. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.